Hey all, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Galaxy Training Academy. I'm Meenakshi Nair and I'm here to walk you through IELTS. Without any further delay, let's get started. In this video, let me answer few frequent questions as what is IELTS? Why IELTS? Who accepts and conducts IELTS? And finally, what is the validity after writing IELTS and what are the criteria we should be aware of before taking up IELTS? Well, what is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. What are they actually testing you guys for? Language proficiency through 4 modules. They are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Why IELTS? Don't you think that you need a trump card to travel overseas? University requirements is one among the reasons. IELTS boosts your application when you get a good band. Your profile gets shortlisted on this basis too. Apart from that, IELTS is required for your visa approval. As 2 factors have been already said, what could be other factors? Job opportunities. One can get in-campus part-time job in universities as research assistant, teaching assistant, campus guide, library assistant, and many other. A good command over language always gives a competitive edge when it comes to interviews and campus placements. Providing a test score of IELTS will escalate the preference of your resume among interviewers. Scholarships are being provided by top organizations, trusts, and foundations towards tuition fees to students who got top scores in IELTS. IELTS is also being taken by a lot of students and working professionals to develop their language proficiency. Who accepts IELTS? IELTS is being accepted over 15,000 plus institutions and 10,000 plus organizations in more than 140 plus countries. It's a wide range of choice you guys get here. Choose wisely. Who conducts IELTS? IELTS is wholly owned by IDP who administers the test. University of Cambridge is the one who prepares the content for this standardized test. And finally, what is the validity after writing IELTS and what are the criteria we should be aware of before taking up IELTS? Once you take up IELTS, your trump card is valid for whole 2 years. To take up this test, one should be about 16 years of age and should also have a valid passport. In our next video, we will take you through the test types, modules, test format, and scoring. Until then, good luck.